tamang attack for me.
Pag mali yung na-set, ganyan. Kunwari, ang baba. Oh, no, ang baba.
May mababa, minsan meron din buka. Yung away from the net. Yeah. Talagang malaki.
How do you adjust?
If it's low, sometimes I try to adjust. Just going for a tip na lang.
Okay.
I will use the blocker's hand na buka. Spin ball na lang. So, let's see kung paano adjustment dito ang gagawin ni Coach Lerma.
You know, alam mo, nakikita ko yan sa lalaki. Especially
lang, no?
when in LA, in the beach volleyball scene. Oh my gosh, the way growth happens eh.
Yung mga off the shoulder lang na mahirapan ka, shoulder na lang minsan kahit ulo mo. I can defend the ball on the back side or the back row here.
And serve well.
Yeah, serve well. So, wag niyo muna akong angasan or what, diba?
I mean, she is, after all, a champion player during her college. Via the Pilipinas Live app, which libero will get more digs? Is it Liza Eroa or Dawn Macandili?
Here, for both squads, tallying the first ace in our ball game.
Look at her
role in her UE days. So now, not that new for her. So kailangan niya lang mag-step up.
Yes. Ball still in play. Out of system to Ronquillo. Check ball. Good reflexes there. She will try again. Down the line. Jel was there. Ishii. Ooh! First point for Ishii. Lalong isip as a starter. One more time.
See, great confidence booster there for Ishii.
Happening in the tail end of this set. They want to go home with a big W in this first game day back from the holiday break. Doria Aquino with a quick Eroa sets up Maraginot. Good deflection there. Ball still alive. Back set to Abil. Out of system. Eroa said, let me get the third touch. Opportunity here for the HG Spikers. Don to Ishii.
Wow, what an angle they're coming from Ishii.
From Ishii.
Breakout game for her here. Nagpapakilala siya na I am
3, 12 all, 13 all, and then now 14 all. Mnas starts us off. Better pass from Gandler. Ishii goes cross court.
There you go. Ishii lalong isip now.
For Ishii. Pleased with the performance so far.
Ano pag mga NBA, I remember when mayroong mga live streaming ng mga NBA finals na nanalo sa mga raffle.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, sige, sali tayo dyan.
Ooh.
Look at this.
Grabe.
And look at how they're celebrating. Mapanood din eh. Look at this. Ishii lalong isip through the block.
With that swing.